Patel Marketing, where we discuss lead generation marketing strategies to help your small business grow. I'm Renee, I'm a marketing specialist, and today we're auditing Neil Patel's Instagram strategy. So I'm sure you've heard of Neil Patel before. He is really known for his work in digital marketing, social media, and his keyword research tool, Ubersuggest. Neil Patel is also one of the first resources that I absolutely binged when I started my digital marketing career. So I thought who would be better to do an Instagram audit of. For the audit today, we are going to rely on 3 categories: quality, consistency, and engagement. Quality meaning, is the content on his profile appealing to look at? Does the information resonate with the audience? Consistency, of course, refers to how often is he posting and how often is he posting certain types of content. And engagement rankings will be based on if there are a lot of commenters, followers engaging with Neil's content, and then him engaging back. Each of these 3 categories will be ranked out of 5 stars. So we're gonna walk through that Instagram right now and get started. Let's check out his first post. We are evaluating this post for the quality metric. And this reel is to follow the 3 F's: feel, felt, found, to become a better marketer. I think Neil has really great audio and visual quality here. It's a good idea to do it outside, and there's lots of moving components in the background that's not kind of distracting you from what he's saying, but kind of also entertaining you while you're learning. Subtitles are also awesome. They really increase your audience. Looking at Neil's content, the 3F thing is really helpful, and that is a great learning strategy in addition to a great tip from Neil Patel. And it really just shows that he's being super thoughtful when he's thinking about how his audience can remember these really helpful tips. Next, let's check out the consistency with which Neil Patel posts. Now, I think this is really important because if you're trying to build an audience online, whether it's just for like brand awareness, sales, or just like build a community in general, posting consistently gives people something to look at constantly and pulls them into your brand and your marketing. So it's a really good idea to be consistent if you have business goals around your social media or Instagram. So let's check out how often Neil is posting. Also interesting to notice that he is posting all reels, and we know that reels get a lot more reach than static posts. So far it looks like at this bottom that Neil has been posting every day. Oh, and then the next post is March 25th. And then 24th. So it kind of looks like Neil is posting every single weekday, which is great. Whatever works for you that's consistent. I usually post on Instagram a few times a week and get a little bit of growth, but if you're not trying to grow super quickly, then you don't need to post every single day. You can pick a strategy more like Neil's that's like 5 out of 7 days a week. You can see that these are all value-oriented posts, meaning these are all posts that are giving like tips and tricks to Neil's audience and kind of improving their lives, making something easier, sharing his knowledge. And it's not until 10 posts from today we see him selling something or promoting a product or service of his. And that's really great because that is what social media is all about, building that community before selling to them. That is really the key to doing business on Instagram. And I'm sure people have noticed this before, and I'm probably like the last to know, but if you look at all of these photos, is he not wearing the same shirt in every picture? It also kind of fits with his branding. So in all of his posts, it's, you know, him with a white shirt on, his brand colors, kind of looks nice. Overall, I really have to give Neil Patel a 5 out of 5 on his consistency. Not only is he posting every single weekday, he has gone as far as wearing the same clothes in his posts, which is commitment. And the last category that I'm going to talk about is engagement. You can see tons of comments. Looks like this content is really resonating with Neil's audience, which is so great because you want to make content that your audience will understand and relate to. That's how you get engagement. So he's doing a really great job of that. The only thing that I would say is I don't see Neil commenting at all, which, you know, is okay. It just might mean like this community vibe is already been built, so Neil doesn't feel like he needs to, continue with it. I'm sure maybe in the early days when he was growing, he did do a lot of commenting on, and this is his Instagram, so he may be more heavily involved in other platforms like YouTube. I know he does as well. So that's something to notice. All in all, I'm going to give Neil a 3.5 out of 5 on engagement. So all in all, we rated Neil Patel a 13 out of 15 on this social media audit. And, that score doesn't even do justice at all to him. Neil Patel is a shining example of, how to do Instagram right. That's all for today. If you had any other thoughts about Neil's Instagram or our audit process, please comment those down below. And don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye.